Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, welcome sa ating online class. May baon tayo, syempre. Meron tayong Pringles, upak, patata, and Skyflakes. So, hindi magugutom si Ate Lea. Of course, meron tayong juice. From the Philippines. Dalan, dan, 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 dan. Diba? And, let's open our laptop. So, ganito po ang ating life. Yan, for the time being. Open na natin ang laptop. And, kinakailangan, nakaset up na tayo 15 minutes before the class. So, madali lang siya. Nakaupo lang ako dito hanggang 2:30. Wala nang tayuan, malibang umihi. Kasi kailangan nakikita ka sa online. So, yes po. Good morning, and see you later, my students.